In this video, we will see the procedure to create a fidget spinner using BricsCAD. This is the drawing of the fidget spinner. We will start by creating the circle with the center at the origin, and the diameter of the circle is 35 units. So click on Circle at the Draw panel and click on Circle Center Diameter option. When you are asked to select the center of the circle, type 0, 0, give enter. Now you are asked to specify the diameter, type 35 units. Now the circle is not visible because it is drawn outside the screen. Double tap the scroll wheel of the mouse to bring the circle within the screen and zoom out using the scroll wheel to get a proper magnification. Right click to get the quad and click on circle and type 35, 35 as the center point coordinate, and the radius of the circle is 17.5 as a default value, which is half of the diameter, so give an enter. Let's construct the next circle with the same radius and center point located at -35, 35. So right click, click on circle, type -35, 35, give enter and give one more enter to accept the default radius. Let's repeat the same procedure to construct the next circle with the center point at -35, 35. Now we have to construct one more circle using the same procedure with the center point at 35, -35. Next, let's connect these circles using arcs using fillet command. I'll input F at the command prompt for fillet. Now click on radius to specify a radius of 22 units. Click on multiple option because I want to perform more than one fillets. Now I am asked to select the first entity and the second entity. Select first and second entities. First, second entities to complete the fillets. Next, let's remove the portions of circles between the arcs using the trim command. Input TR for trim. When I'm asked to select the cutting edges, just give an enter. Now click on the portions of the circles to be trimmed and press enter key. Next, let's join all the arcs to a single entity using the join command. Type J, give an enter, and select the arcs and give one more enter. Now you can see that all the arcs are converted as a single entity. Next, change the view to isometric by clicking on the Look from widget. Next, click on Extrude tool and select the outer entity, give an enter and give a height of extrusion of 15 units. Next, move the circle in the z-axis direction through a distance of 15 units. Choose Move from the quad and keep the center as the base point. Press F8 function key to turn the ortho mode on and keep the cursor in the z-axis direction and type 15. Next, extrude the circle using the Extrude tool through a height of 5 units. Next, let's fillet the corners of the extruded edges. Type F for fillet, click on radius and give a radius of 5 units. Click on this edge, give enter to confirm the radius and click on chain option to select adjoining edges. Now all the adjoining edges got selected and give an enter. Repeat the same sequence of steps for the bottom edge. Next, repeat fillet command and fill at the top edge of the extruded circle. Click on radius and give a radius of 3 units. Select the top edge and give an enter. Next, let's combine these two entities into a single unit using the union command. Click on the flyout in the modify panel and click on union and select the two entities and give an enter. Now both the entities got combined as a single unit. Now select the entity and go to properties panel and change the color to a different color. Change the visual style to realistic. Now we have completed the 3D model of the fidget spinner.